Friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are going to talking about your refinance coin friends. What's the current price of refinance coin? What is the price change goes in the refinance coin? In this video I will show you friends, and in this video I will talk about the serious matter. Do this fast, otherwise you lost friends. Do this fast, otherwise you lost friends. So that's very important. Keep watch this video till the end, and friends remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates friends. Now friends, if we talk about the currently price of refinance coin friends, so the currently at this time price of refinance coin is about 0.042675 USD dollar is the currently price of refinance coin friends. If we talk about the price change occur in the refinance coin, so the last one week change is positive, last 1 day change is positive, last 1 hour change is positive friends. I mean that's whole change occur in the refinance coin. It's going to positive, and I hope this kind of change continuously in the future of refinance conference. For more details, let's see the price prediction of the refinance conference. As you can see here now on the screen, that is only the last 4-hour price prediction chart friends. If we look the price prediction chart of the last 4-hour friends, so as you can see here, only and only jumps occur in the refinance coin. They have no nodes to false down friends. Only jumps occur in the refinance coin friends. The price change is about 3.95 positive change occur in the refinance, and the highest price is about 0.042773 USD dollar is the currently highest price of refinance. The currently live price of Reef is about 0.04267 USD dollar is the currently price of refinance coin friends. That's only the last 4-hour price prediction friends. So what should you do at this time friends and save from loss? I mean that it's time to hold your coin, because as you know the whole changes goes positive friends, so it's time to hold your coin and make a good amount of profit in the future friends. If you're gonna sell it at this time friends, so absolutely you are not in the lowest, but you get a small amount of profit. And when if you going to sell your coin, if you sell a refinance coin in the last half this month friends, so think about the profit of refinance coin if this kind of change continuously till the last half this month friends. What's your opinion about refinance coin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates.